Welcome to our channel, where we help you live a better life, naturally. Joint pain is something that affects millions of people, especially as they age. In today's video, we'll go deep into the best natural ways to manage joint pain, improve flexibility, and live more comfortably, without relying only on medications. You'll learn about the root causes of joint pain, 30+ natural remedies, foods, herbs, supplements, exercises, daily habits that heal joints, and how to build a long-term joint care routine. So let's begin our journey to healing, naturally. Understanding joint pain in depth. What is a joint? A joint is where two bones meet. They allow movement, flexibility, and support. Types of joint pain. Acute pain comes suddenly after an injury. Chronic pain, ongoing pain, often from arthritis. Mechanical pain, caused by wear and tear. Inflammatory pain, from autoimmune conditions. Why does joint pain increase with age? Cartilage breaks down. Lubrication reduces. Bone density decreases. Muscles around joints weaken. Other causes include sedentary lifestyle, obesity, poor diet, repetitive movements, stress. Knowing the cause helps you choose the right remedy. Healing through food, the anti-inflammatory diet. Let food be thy medicine. Hippocrates. Best foods to reduce joint pain. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, rich in omega-3s. 2. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, fight inflammation. 3. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, full of antioxidants. 4. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, chia, flax, support joint lubrication. 5. Olive oil, natural anti-inflammatory fat. 6. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, reduce C-reactive protein. 7. Turmeric and ginger, reduce swelling and stiffness. 8. Bone broth, collagen-rich, helps rebuild joint tissue. Foods to avoid. Sugar. Refined carbs. Red meat. Processed oils, soy, corn. Excess alcohol. You are what you eat, and joints love anti-inflammatory foods. Powerful herbs and spices for joint pain relief. Herbs have been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Top herbal remedies. 1. Turmeric, curcumin anti-inflammatory superhero. 2. Ginger, pain reliever, use fresh or in tea. 3. Boswellia serrata, reduces inflammation in arthritis. 4. Ashwagandha, balances immune response and reduces pain. 5. Devil's claw, especially helpful in back and hip pain. 6. Willow bark, natural aspirin. 7. Stinging nettle, reduces inflammatory proteins. 8. Cat's claw, supports joint healing. 9. Cayenne pepper, capsaicin used in creams for external application. 10. Licorice root, helps calm inflammation. Always consult your doctor before using herbal supplements, especially if you're on medications. Natural supplements that work. While diet and herbs are great, some supplements provide faster results. Top joint health supplements. 1. Glucosamine sulfate, helps rebuild cartilage. 2. Chondroitin, works well with glucosamine. 3. MSM, methylsulfonylmethane, reduces joint stiffness. 4. Vitamin D3, critical for bone and joint strength. 5. Calcium and magnesium, maintain bone density. 6. Collagen peptides, repair and protect cartilage. 7. Omega-3 fish oil, fights inflammation at the root. 8. Hyaluronic acid, helps with joint lubrication. 9. SAMI, supports mood and joint health. 10. Vitamin K2, helps calcium go to bones, not joints. Choose high-quality, third-party tested supplements. Daily movements that heal joints. Movement is medicine, but it must be the right kind. Gentle exercises that reduce joint pain. Tai Chi improves balance and reduces stiffness. Yoga for seniors, gentle poses for hips, knees, shoulders. Walking, simple and highly effective. Water aerobics. Low impact, high relief. Resistance bands build muscle without harming joints. Physical therapy tips. Warm up before any movement. Never push through pain. Focus on posture and alignment. Also try foam rolling for muscle release. Stretching morning and night. 15-minute daily joint mobility routine. Home therapies and external remedies. Not all remedies are internal. Some of the best are topical and physical. External natural therapies. 1. Epsom salt baths, magnesium soaks for sore joints. 2. Castor oil packs, ancient remedy for inflammation. 3. Hot and cold therapy, heat for stiffness, cold for swelling. 4. Massage with essential oils, lavender, eucalyptus, rosemary. 5. Acupressure or reflexology, stimulates healing. 6. Infrared light therapy, reduces pain at the cellular level. 7. Copper or magnetic therapy bracelets, for some people. Take time for self-care. Healing is physical and emotional. Long-term joint care and lifestyle habits. To keep joints pain-free, consistency is key. Lifestyle habits that protect joints. Stay hydrated, joints are 80% water. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, recovery happens at night. Lose excess weight, every 1 pound equals 4 pounds less pressure on knees. Avoid sitting too long, stand or stretch every 30 minutes. Listen to your body, pain is a signal, not a weakness. Joint pain can feel limiting, but with the right natural approach, you can regain your strength, flexibility, and peace of mind. This journey takes time, but it works. Backhand index pointing right. Try a combination of diet, herbs, supplements, movement, and self-care. Backhand index pointing right. Stay consistent for at least 3 months to notice a real difference. Backhand index pointing right, and always consult your healthcare provider before starting new regimens. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time with more natural ways to live pain-free.